up, YouTube? Thank you for coming back on my channel. Remember to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. If you want to know how I made this makeup tutorial, stay tuned. Well, let's start. The first thing I do when I do my makeup is my eyebrows. So I'm going to use a eyebrow pencil, and this is what I'm currently using. So I dip my pencil and I start first brush out my eyebrows. And then I start to shape them. And remember to always wash your face and moisturize before you put any makeup in your face. I'm just filling in the areas that have a little bit of hair. Like so. This is how I do it. I don't know the proper way to do it. There's just so many ways to do it, but this is how I do my eyebrows. So now you can see the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow. And now that I'm done doing my eyebrows, I'm going to carve them out, and I'm using a concealer and a concealer brush. So I put some on my hand, like so. And then I just dip my brow, my concealer. I'm new to this. And then I just start carving my eyebrows, like so. And now I'm gonna do the bottom part. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Now I'm gonna carve the bottom part. So, and I am not a professional whatsoever. I am self-taught by practicing, watching videos, and yes, so do it at your own risk. So don't worry, it's not gonna stay like this. And then I get some more, and now I do the middle part, like this. I dare you to go out in public like this. So I'm gonna conceal my eyes using the same concealer. And I'm using a wet sponge. Make sure you wet your sponge. Okay, now it's time for foundation. This is the foundation I'm using right now. It's the Milani. And I'm gonna use another damp sponge. And I put 3 pumps. 3 small pumps in my sponge, and then I just dab 3 or 4. I do 4, and then I start right here, and then go around. I don't think there's a right way on how to apply foundation, but this is how I do it. So this is the foundation. Now I'm going to put more concealer under the eyes. I see a lot of YouTubers doing this, so I'm like, why not? Okay, so this is to brighten your eyes. Now, I'm going to contour my cheeks and my side. To contour, I'm using a contour stick from Wet n Wild. And I'm only gonna use the dark side for here, for here, for here, for here, for here, and for here. And you get the same sponge you used to apply your foundation to blend it in. Next thing you do is you bake everything. I'm using this powder. So with the sponge, you're gonna get the powder and you're gonna put it under your eyes. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. And now we are going to bronze. or actually not bronze, contour your face. This is what I'm currently using right now. Okay, so this is the brush I'm using. So I just stab it, and then I need to use a mirror. Okay, like this. Okay. And I'm gonna use the same contour for my nose. And I'm going to blend, take off all the excess, but I'm using this brush. And for the under eye, I use this brush. And this is my favorite palette I like to use because it has neutral colors. For the base, I'm going to be using this color right here. So you just pretty much put it all over your eyelid. The next thing I'm going to use is a transition color. And this is going to be my transition color right here. And I don't know the name of the colors, okay? Color motions, like so. This is how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna use a darker color. I'm gonna use this one right here. And I'm gonna go over the color, the eyeshadow that I put. And I'm just going a circular motion. Oh, and I'm using a different brush. I'm using this brush now. Circular motion. You wanna make sure it's nice and blend. So this is the eyeliner I use, e.l.f. Most of my stuff I use is from the drugstore. Okay, so I just start making a thin line, like so. And it's better to start off thin because if you mess up, you can always add to it. And then when I get here, I stop and I bring it up, and then I bring it down. And then I fill in. Up, and then down. Okay, the next step is eyelashes. So these are the eyelashes I'm currently using from Ardell Wisps. And this is the glue I'm currently using. So I'm gonna put glue on them like so. It's been a while since I've done my makeup, to be honest. I think the last time I did my makeup was in Valentine's Day. So while I let those sit, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara. This is a mascara I'm currently using, the Luminous Curved Brush. Wait, L'Oreal. It's from L'Oreal. So then I just put a little bit of mascara. I don't like too much mascara. And then another trick that Milagros showed me, shout out to you, Milagros, to put eyelash glue on my eyelash. Not my eyelashes, but my eyeliner, on top of my eyeliner. And make a line on top of my eyeliner. Or if you know you're gonna cry, use protection. Okay, so I apply my eyelashes using some tweezers. And I think they are ready. So this is how I apply my eyelashes. So I just put it on the top, in the middle, and then I grab a corner, and then I pinch it down, like so, and then I grab the other corner, and I pinch it down like so. And then I squeeze them together. And there you have it. The next thing I'm gonna do is my under eyes. I'm gonna use this color and this color. And it's gonna go under my eye. There you have it. And I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. Before I add my highlighter, I like to set my face with some setting spray. And it's a Milani highlighter. And this is the brush I use for highlighting. I don't know if that's what it's for, but that's what I use. And then I just highlight my... And I also use the same highlighter for the corner of my eyes. And I also use it for under my eyebrows. And I'm using this concealer. And I pretty much go like this. I'm going to use the same brush to add a little bit more down here. Just dabbing it in there. Much better. Okay, and the final thing I do is my lips. So right now I'm just gonna use a simple lip gloss, and I got this from BoxyCharm. I normally don't use lip gloss, but why not? And this is how I apply my lip gloss. This is the final result. What do you think? And this is my first video ever doing makeup, and let me tell you, it was very hard trying to do my makeup and record at the same time, but it's doable.